log in and connect.
Right, but isn't in this connection some danger when it comes to not giving the private key, but giving the funds? Just like these phishing websites.
Yes, yes, you mentioned something very important. So what happening in the industry is people can ask you, there is a permission when you connect. So it's a bunch of this kind of permission wrote in the library called Web3 JS. So what you want to connect, what you want to authorize. You
Mhm.
authorize me to use all your USDT or just one USDT or two USDT, or you authorize me to do transaction, or I want to hide what I'm going to let you to authorize. So I just say something and then I don't let you to know. You just click connect and authorize, then all your funds are gone. This, if you heard this industry, there's something happening like quite now and then someone just randomly got asked to connect their MetaMask to some wallet, to some very fancy website, and all their funds are gone.
I've heard of this danger, definitely.
Yeah, so exactly. But as this is your own private key, your own funds, so you authorize them. So this could be a little bit dangerous if you don't read what you are connecting, what
Mhm.
the front end authorize themselves to do. Right. So this is some vulnerability there. So let me just copy this picture here. Okay. Yep. So from here that we're just connecting the private key and to authorize front end to do something, right? But here you put your credentials on the web server. So this is what also happening every day on some exchanges. Like you heard this Indian Wazir X, whole font got stolen because you put all your username password here. So what I need to do is just to steal your data.
Yeah.
Then I think either way, so I really like the word that actually wrote here. When we design a system, summary of various system design topics, including pros and cons, everything is a trade-off. So I think this is something that very useful for everyone here listening to think about. So everything is a trade-off. So when you are designing a Web3 app or Web2 app, right? Everything is a trade-off because Majordom just asks, okay, when I connect, whether my funds will become. Because if you build this front end yourself, you trust yourself, you're not going to mess it up.